know what you really got. It's hard to stay and not pretend. Can't make sense in what you thought. Seems I can't comprehend. I'm happy to be only all that you see, and I'm not one to learn to be the same. I don't wanna hear you bitch no more.